Hello YouTube, so today we will be building a Ryzen gaming computer. I will teach you step by step how to get it done the easy way. Alright, let's begin. Step number 1. Get your motherboard, RAM and CPU ready for assembly. We will put it together before we bring it inside the case. I like to use the motherboard box to sit the motherboard on top of. Step number 2. CPU and cooler installation. Get your CPU ready, carefully align it and secure it. Next thing that I'm going to do is removing the CPU cooler brackets included with this motherboard. In your build, it might be a little different. I am using the integrated RGB stock cooler included with my Ryzen 2700. Since I don't like the fact that the cooler AMD logo is sideways, I decided to flip it and fix it. So go ahead and connect your CPU fan cable to the motherboard fan header. If your motherboard includes an RGB header, connect it as well if you want to use the RGB function. Step number 3. RAM installation. Get your RAM ready. It is recommended to install it first on the A2 lane and B2 lanes first if you're using 2 sticks of RAM. Step number 4. Motherboard installation. Get the case ready. I usually remove all the side panels and lay the case sideways. Install the motherboard I/O shield first. Carefully align the motherboard with the standoff screw mounts. Most cases nowadays have a guide mount in the middle of the motherboard. Once you have it aligned, make sure that the back I/O shield is aligned as well. And it's time to tighten up the screws to secure the motherboard. Step number 5. Power supply. Well, depending on your computer case is how you're going to insert the power supply. So go ahead and mount it and secure it. Step number 6. Connecting your components. Go ahead and connect your 24-pin motherboard power cable, then your CPU 8-pin, connect it to the motherboard and do a little bit of cable management. Next, go ahead and connect your SSDs and your hard drives with the SATA cables and power SATA cables. Mount them to your case accordingly. I usually get a 120GB SSD for Windows 10 and 1TB or 2TB hard drive for storage. I connect SATA 1 on the motherboard for the operating system and SATA 2 and forward for storage and anything else. It doesn't have to be this way, but to me it's a preference. Alright, then connect your front I/O panel cables. Audio, USB 2.0, USB 3.0, your hard drive LED, reset switch, all of that spaghetti cables. That's what I call it. Step number 7. Graphics card installation. Go ahead and get your GPU ready for installation. The PC case that I got allows me to mount it sideways with the PCIe Racer extension. I am able to tighten it up nice and secure. Connect your PCIe power cable either 4-pin, 6-pin, or 8-pin, depending on your graphics card model. Mine is the EVGA GTX 950, so it only takes a 4-pin. Okay, we are done with the assembly of the computer. Go ahead and boot the computer for the first time, run your Windows installations, and install your games and have fun. Now, if you want to watch a video of step by step after assembling your computer, I'm going to leave a video in the description. So go ahead and click on that or click right here on the screen. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that I was helpful to you building your gaming computer for the first time. If you have any questions, drop them down below in the comment section. Don't forget to give me a like down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Stay beautiful. This was your host, Sergio with the Cover Clock.